Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Welcome back to my channel where fun, love, and adventure lies. Journey with us! Okay, so today I'll be showing you guys what I got for Nal's back to school. Yes, I'll be showing you guys everything that I bought for her back to school. Alright, so first, oh my goodness. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with, so we went into the store and now saw Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig. She's like, Mommy, where is Peppa? I say, Pumpkin, I don't know where Peppa is. So I got her Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig.
Oh, that's Mommy Pig and the Daddy Pig.
So I got them for her play corner at school. So they basically just make this piggy sound, the squirty sound pretty much. That's all they do.
That Mommy.
But because I know she loves Peppa Pig
Mommy
so much
Pig.
because she watches it every
Mommy
day,
Pig.
so I got her Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig.
Mommy Pig.
I haven't pulled them out as yet.
Alright.
Can pull them out so you guys can see them. Okay, unboxing my Peppa Pig. Daddy Pig.
Mommy Pig.
Let me open Mommy Pig. Mommy Pig.
Mommy Pig.
Yeah, so now you got Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig to play with. Alright, and Pookie, where's the cover? Where's the cover?
My car.
Okay, don't worry, I found it. Don't worry about it, okay? Alright, so we have here 2 hand sanitizers
My Mommy
that are perfect for mosquitoes and yeah, keep you unsanitized. And one is lemongrass and the other one is lavender. So this is the lavender and this is the lemongrass. And they smell pretty awesome. So I got 2 of these for the starting. So it's just the start. Alright, and I also got her this. So as you know, we have the ABC and I couldn't find 1, 2, 3. And now I found it and it goes all the way to 20. So here it is. It goes all the way to 20. So I'm super excited about that. And yeah, so I got her this as well to help her at home with it. So moving on. So I got her 3 textbooks. This is her first textbook and this one is LOL. Yeah. So this is her LOL textbook, you guys. So it has LOL on the back and the front, LOL surprise. LOL surprise. And then her second textbook is all about, you know who this is?
A beat. A beat.
Yes. So it's all about, yes, from the cartoon, you guys.
A card. Card.
Yeah, I don't even remember what the cartoon name is. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
But I watched it several times and
Daddy,
I'm so in
hey,
love
go,
with
Mommy
it.
Pig.
So yeah, I got her a book, of course. Yes.
Oh
And
no.
then the other book is Princess. You know, she got the table, which is what we're on now. And now this is the Princess book. So I have to get her everything princess. Yeah. Yeah. So this is our Princess book, you guys. Okay, so that's 3 books. And then for our learning book now, we got a reading and activity book. This is what it looks like. And this is what the inside looks like. This is what the inside looks like, guys. So yeah, so this is the first one of the books for schooling. Right there. And then we have another book right here. And it says 1, 2, 3 Infant Mathematics K1. This is what it looks like. And the inside of it, you guys. This is what the inside looks like. Yeah. So this is the pumpkin. Hold on, mama. Alright. Yes, it's yours, but we're not gonna use it as yet. Come, talk to Peppa. Talk to Peppa. Talk to Daddy Pig and Mommy Pig. So this is what it looks like, you guys.
Okay, Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig.
Yes, talk to Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig.
Now
And this is
Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig.
our other book. It says let's learn together. Hold on, mama, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Look at this one. Look at the princessy. Yeah, so let's learn together, and it shows you the different stuff inside of this one.
Daddy Pig, Mommy Pig, and then this a book. And the one red. Okay?
And then we have Infant Phonics K1. This is what it looks like.
Okay? Wait.
What it looks like. Infant learning right here. Yeah.
Now
So this is what it looks like. Right. That's our textbook, you guys. Here. Yeah, read that to Peppa Pig and to Daddy Pig and Mommy Pig.
Okay.
Very good. Alright, so I got her 2 scrapbook as well. We go to scrapbook.
And what time?
And I got her colors.
Mommy?
Yes, one
And that's Mommy.
Sergeant Art thing. 6.
And that's Mommy.
And I got her a kitty artist smock. That's the name of it. So it's basically an apron that you put over your clothes when you're doing art. Painting of any sort. And this is how it looks. Super cute. Haven't pulled it out yet. And then we got her a paintbrush for art class. I also got her a book. So teacher requests to have a book for a reading class or a set of that sort. And I got her Rapunzel. So this is Rapunzel right here. Yes, this is Rapunzel. Like down here. Super big. Take it up, mama. Take up your book. And then I got her some Play-Doh. What they look like, different colors. They got red, yellow, white, green, blue, and black. Different types of Play-Doh. And all of these is for her schooling when she starts school, which is gonna be Wednesday. Super excited. Alright, let me show you guys what else I have here. Alright. So I got her 3 jumbo pencils. This is what they look like right here. 3 jumbo pencils. Yes, and I got 2 glues. So 1 for home, 1 for school. I got her 2 glues. Alrighty. And then I've got her 2 packs of crayon as well. 1 for home, 1 for school. That's what they looks like. Stud Mark Jumbo Crayons. That's the name of it. Alright, and moving on. This is her raincoat for the rainy days when she's going to school. You just put on a raincoat on her and she's good to go. So, yeah. They basically only had this color as the last one I got. So I had to choose green. Oh, I love pink and purple. Yeah. Alright, so we went into the store today and she chose Peppa Pig. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, now showing all the clues on her book. On one of her books.
And how in the book?
Yeah, I didn't know it could have opened like that. Oh my goodness. Alright, I should fix the issue. So we got her this little cute little Rapunzel cup so she can use it. she can use the Rapunzel book. She can use the Rapunzel book at just trying to clean up now glue. Oh my goodness. I don't want it to seal the pages together. Alright, good to go. Alright, so yeah, so we got her this cute little Rapunzel cup. So I wanted to like let her drink anything she want to drink, and it's for home. And
Mommy,
what are you doing?
I'm not Daddy Pig addicted.
Feeding Daddy Pig, oh my goodness. Okay, I got her this cute little water bottle for class. So she can bring her water in her juice or whatever. And it has space on it, the planets, the orbits, all of that. Earth. Yeah. And I was going to get her a plate, but I realized I saw this cute little bag, school bag, that I'm so in love with. So I didn't worry by the plate because the bag comes with a plate. I'm going to show you guys the bag. Oh my gosh. So this comes with the bag. So this is something that you put the bag on and then you just pull it. This is what it looks like. And you can extend. See right there? Yeah. There's something. There you go. So this is what it looks like. There's something. So it comes with the bag. Yeah. Mommy's gonna wash it and put juice in it for you, okay? Oh, and before I forget, I got her some masks. So this is 3 masks. And this is 2 masks, and I have another one. So she'd actually have 6 masks now. These are basically for school.
Mommy?
These are for school.
Mommy,
Yes,
I got water.
yeah, Mommy soon will put water in it for you, okay? Alright, moving on to my last but not least. Nalani's cute little bag. Come hold Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig. I want to show them the bag, okay?
Yes, Mommy. I got a pick a Mommy Pig.
Yeah.
Daddy
Alright, so this is the bag. This is my school bag.
Oh, Mommy.
So I'm going to take it out and show you guys.
Wow, it's nice. We got that bag.
Hold on, Punky, let me show everyone. This is what it looks like. And guys, the inside is so huge. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. And 2 side pockets that you can put juice or water in. And this is the cute little bag that comes with it for a lunch bag.
Mommy, up inside? Why up inside?
Yeah, I'm gonna open it now. And this is the plate I was telling you guys that it comes with. So it comes with this as well. You can put a pencil, crayon, whatever it is. And this is a plate that comes inside of it as well. So that's why I didn't buy any plate, because the bag comes with it. So this is the bag. I'm so in love with these, you guys. Super cute. Okay, this is inside of the bag. This is the 1 compartment. And
what's on the bag?
let me open it. Okay, this is another compartment. It's equally big as the first compartment. That's what I love about it so much. The compartment. Another tiny compartment right here. And then we have another compartment right here. Yeah. So we have all those different compartments to put a lot of stuff in, and all of them is gonna go in her bag. This is it, you guys. Alright, so, and this is the pencil, and this is the tiny bag. That's it. So that's everything, you guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. Be sure to check out any other video you'd like to watch down below. And we'll see you guys in another video. Thanks so much for watching. Now tell everyone bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.